Meaning of freedom of information.
Freedom of information.
Freedom of information.
Freedom of information.
Freedom of information. Freedom of information is the right to access and receive information held by public bodies and institutions. It is a fundamental human right that ensures transparency, accountability, and participation in democratic governance. This principle allows individuals to obtain information about public affairs, policies, and decision-making processes. It also facilitates the monitoring and scrutiny of government actions and promotes the dissemination of knowledge and ideas. The freedom of information is essential for upholding civil liberties and promoting open societies that value freedom of expression and free access to information.